what I suggest to you is, if you have recently created your Facebook page, make sure you have your own content. Do not copy and paste the content. Do not grab some contents from the third parties and post in your Facebook page. Do not take any musics from the third party and use it in the Facebook page, or do not use the Facebook page music at all, because later when you try to monetize your Facebook page, what happened is the music you have used from the Facebook, the earning you make on that content, all the earnings goes to that music owners. So you will not make any earning on that content. So I suggest you try to make all your own original content with your own voice and with your own captured video. So here you can see that in this page, you can clearly see that I have one red mark, like the page with restricted monetizations. And you can see that the page with restricted monetizations, and here the action required is, let's go and see the details. Here you can see the detail restricted monetizations. Your ability to earning is limited because your page is not following our partner monetization policy. So if it is done by mistake, if you have upload your own originals videos without using third parties musics, and it is the mistake from the Facebook, then you can submit your request another review. If you feel like you don't have any recent violation that are eligible to be reviewed, you can request it. Or if you have some videos uploaded which is not your originals or is from third parties music added on, I suggest to you it's better to delete that videos, because the Facebook algorithms is captured that videos is taken out from third parties. That's why it shows that that's not your original contents, and it's violate your Facebook policy, and you lose the monetization earning. So this restricted, you can see that I'm not making any money from in-stream ads like in a long videos, because it said that I have breached the Facebook policies. Go to your Facebook page, and you can see the icon on the top right corner. Click on your Facebook icon, and then scroll down. You can see help and support. Open the help and support, and you can see here the support inbox. Click on the support inbox. Here, if you have breached any Facebook policy, or if you carry the contents from third party and upload it in your Facebook page, it will show it on the alert section. Here alert. Here you can see that my page has no violations, but still there is a Facebook monetization restricted. Is I think it's because of some kinds of mistakes. So I have to submit an appeal request. So what you have to do is take a screenshot first, and then go back, and this time we'll click on report a problem, and scroll down or continue to report a problem. Okay, here include a report, and here the issue was from my page. So click on pages, and then attachment, upload from a phone. I have taken the screenshot, so go to the screenshot, and this is the screenshot. I don't need this one. And here describe the issue. So what you can do is go to the chat GPT and ask the chat GPT to write the letter. Okay, let's go to Google Chrome. Okay, write down here ChatGPT. Try ChatGPT. If you have logged in before, you can log in. If you haven't create the login account, you can sign up. Continue. Okay, here I asked the ChatGPT to write the letter for me. There's a free research video used. I asked ChatGPT to write a letter for me. I said that write me a appeal letter to Facebook team that all my videos are original and I haven't breached their policy. And I got this letter from ChatGPT. So I copy this one from here, from their team member to up to here, copy. And I go back to my Facebook and then describe the issue, paste. And at the end, I write the my Facebook page name. Copy your Facebook page name and insert here and then send the report. Okay, now I have submitted my appeal request to the Facebook team. This is how you fixed your restricted monetization. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.